Hey everyone, in today's guide, I'll show you how to reduce gaming lag using NordVPN. If you're dealing with high ping or frustrating stutters during matches, this is a quick and effective fix. Let's get started. First, make sure NordVPN is installed on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, visit the NordVPN website and install the version for your operating system. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in. With the app open, look for the gear icon to access the settings and click it. Inside the Settings menu, find the section labeled Connections. This is where you'll find the network options that can directly impact gaming performance. Next, open the VPN protocol settings. Different protocols prioritize different things such as security or speed. For gaming, speed is the priority. From the list of available protocols, select NordLynx. It's built on WireGuard and is designed for high performance. Switching to NordLynx often results in lower latency and a more stable connection while gaming. After changing the protocol, reconnect to a nearby server. Choosing a server close to your location helps reduce ping and improves overall responsiveness. If you want to fine-tune things further, try connecting to servers near your game's region and make sure no other devices on your network are using excessive bandwidth. And that's it. A simple way to reduce lag and improve your gaming experience with NordVPN. If you're looking for the best deal right now, check the link below for 74% off plus 3 extra months free. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.